ठीक है चलिए तो स्क्रीन देखा बस ओके can start 10 okay good morning students. So today we are going to discuss about new topic, that is probability and statistics. First, what we'll do, we will study about the concept of the statistics. Thereafter, some questions on probability. So maybe probability we will continue in the next class itself. But today only we will discuss very basic questions of probability if time permits. Okay. ठीक है जी. So statistics. First time हमरो concept बुझिबा. Statistics रे कोन होछि, the terms are like central tendency. Central tendency. Okay. Central tendency means what? If statistics is what? Study of data. If you get so many data, ताकू study करे कि तारो mean केते हबो, median केते हबो. All these are central tendencies. Means middle value केते अछि. So central tendencies there are so many terms are there. First one is AM. AM is what? Arithmetic mean. GM is geometric mean. And HM is harmonic mean. And median is, we will see what is median. It is the middlemost, and mode is highest frequency. So arithmetic mean is simple average. So suppose three numbers are there, A, B and C. Their arithmetic mean will be A plus B plus C divided by 3. This is the simple average. Geometric mean Geometric mean, suppose there are three numbers are there, A, B, C. Its geometric mean will be cube root of product of all the numbers. Cube root of product of all the numbers. Okay. And harmonic mean, suppose there are three numbers, harmonic mean 3 divided by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Okay. This is the formula for harmonic mean. Okay, let me write if there are more n numbers so that you can get it. Let's say there are two numbers and there are three numbers, and let's say there are n numbers. Arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2. Harmonic mean is A plus B plus C divided by 3. And what is the harmonic mean for n numbers? That is sum of all the numbers divided by n. Okay. Similarly, geometric mean, what is geometric mean? It will be square root of AB, because two numbers are there. And if there are three numbers, it will be cube root of ABC, the product of all the numbers. And if n numbers are there, this will be product of all the numbers, nth root of all the numbers. Similarly, harmonic mean, two numbers are there, the harmonic mean will be 2 by 1 by the A plus 1 by B. And if there are three numbers, harmonic mean 3 by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. And if there are n numbers, harmonic mean will be 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C up to n. So this is the formula for arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Okay, if there are n numbers, you can note it down. Next is about median. Okay, what is median? Median means your middlemost number. Suppose, for example, any numbers I am taking randomly, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. These are the 5 numbers. What is the median? how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So median will be this. This is the center. This is at the center. So median for this now data set will be 4. So median ପାଇଁ କଣ କରିବ? First you have to arrange in the ascending order. This is already in the ascending order. This is already in the ascending order. So no need to arrange. ଯଦି ନଥିବ ତମକୁ ascending order ରେ arrange କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ. Then you have to find the middle most number. Suppose total numbers is odd. Okay. Then median is n plus 1 by tooth number. माने एठी केतरा नंबर अछि 1 2 3 4 5. So median कोन हला? As per this formula median is 5 plus 1 by tooth number. So that is 6 by that is third number. सेति भाई हमरो 2 3 4 third number. एठी तो पांचटा अछि, you can say easily, but if there are n is bigger then you can put this formula. If total number is odd, if total number even थिबो ताल कोन करबो? Total number is even, then median is n by tooth term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. That means that I would example neba. Let's say 17 5 3 18 2 and let's say 10. केतरा नंबर? 6 टा नंबर. So first कोन करिवो? First you have to arrange in the ascending order, then only you can put the formula. First ascending order लिखो. First is 2, then 3, then 5, then 10, then 17, then 18. So it is to n केते? n होची 6. 1 to 6 टा टर्म होची. तो median कोन हबो? Median is 6 by 2th term plus 6 by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So that is third plus 4th term by 2. Third term amar kete thila? Third term is 5, fourth term is 10. So it is 5 plus 10 by 2, 15 by 2, that is 7.5. So median is 7.5 for this data set. Okay, so 8 to n the odd thila, median was the number itself, say data set thila, 4 was the part of that data set, but it is 7.5 a numbers data re nahi, but that is the median of this data set. बुझी पला? There are two scenarios. Total number जदि odd हला, you can put this formula. Total number जदि even हला, you can put this formula and find the median. And the most important part is always arrange in ascending order before finding the median. Okay, next is your mode. Mode kono? Mode, you remember, it is highest frequency. Highest frequency. Frequency माने केते थरो सही data set आसीची. Suppose example लेबा में 2 3 4 5 4 1 10 एमती data set अछि. तो मोड कौन हम? जो नंबर टा बहुत थर आसी फ्रीक्वेंसी. सपोज 2 रो इफ आई टेबुलेट 2 एंड इट्स फ्रीक्वेंसी लिखो. 2 केते थर आसी? 2 वंस आसी. 3 केते थर आसी? 3 आसी वंस. बट 4 केते थर आसी? 4 आसी 2 टाइम्स. एंड 5 केते थर आसी? 5 इज वंस. एंड आउ की रहला 5 1 is also once and 10 once. So from there you can see that 4 maximum number of times asi. 4 maximum number times. So tomorrow mode kon hobo this data set ro mode is 4. Mode equal to 4. Frequency au kichh na jete thora asibo theta hochi mode maximum times. Okay. Let's move to next part. Acha, it कौन होची? There are something you need to remember so that it will be very helpful in your exams. कौन देची? HM is the harmonic mean. Harmonic mean of two number AB is 2AB by A plus B. Harmonic mean of two numbers. Suppose 5 and 6 are two numbers. Harmonic mean कितना हो? 2 into 5 into 6 divided by 5 plus 6. That is 60 by 11. This is harmonic mean of two numbers. Okay. तापर कौन कहूची? If B is the harmonic mean of AC, then ABC are in harmonic progression. हाँ, इटा important. जति तमरो दीटा number harmonic mean B हला, then ABC are in harmonic progression. Harmonic progression से बन रही भाई. आउ गोटे कौन कहूची? For any two positive numbers. This is इटा note करो. दीटा positive number पे इटा valid हबो. से कौन कहूची? Arithmetic mean should be greater than equal to geometric mean should be greater than equal to harmonic mean. If there are two numbers, arithmetic mean कौन हबो? Arithmetic mean हबो यारो A plus B by 2. This should be greater than equal to कौन कहूची? Geometric mean. Geometric mean केते? If there are two numbers, it is square root of AB, and this should be greater than equal to कहाँ को कहूची? Harmonic mean. Harmonic mean इतीटा number कौन हबो? 2AB B by A plus B. हला? तो मैं check कर परिबो निजे नहीं की. Let's say I take two numbers are 2 A equal to 2, B equal to 8. तो कहते हैं बड़ा 2 plus 8 by 2 greater than equal to square root of 2 into 8 greater than equals to 2 into 8 divided by 2 plus 8. Check करो 8 plus 2 10 by 2 5 आछी. एटा होची 4. एटा केता आछी 4 into 8 32 that means 3.2. So it is valid. So arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. This happens only there are two numbers. Three numbers can happen. Next कौन होची? Geometric mean square is AM and HM. It is obvious. तमे जति square root of AB होची geometric mean तारो square करले कौन आउची? AB. Geometric mean square is AM and HM. AM देखो केते होची? A plus B by 2. AM into HM केते होची? 2 AB by A plus B. So everything gets cancelled. So left hand side AB is still, right hand side also you are getting AB. So this formula is also true. Geometric mean square equal to AM into HM. So these two formula very important. Just you remember this one. Okay. Now टिके हमें वर्कआउट करबा मीडियन देची डेटा सेट देची 4 7 12 15 20. तो यार मीडियन कते हो? दिस इज ऑलरेडी इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर अछि. आउ किछि अरेंज करबा दरकार नहीं. मीडियन कोन केतरा नंबर? मीडियन इज मिडिल मोस्ट. सो यू कैन से 12 इज द मीडियन. Okay. Next question कौन अछि? Median of this number 3 5 9 11 13 and 15. तो एठे भी already ascending order अछि. Ascending order अछि. And total numbers केते अछि? 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 अछि. इवन थिले कोन हबो? हमर थर्ड एंड फोर्थ रो हाफ हबो. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ प्लस by 2. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ divided by 2 is the median. So third केते हबो? Third is तमरो 9 and fourth is 11. So answer will be 9 plus 11 by 2, that is 10. So 10 is the median of this data set. गोटे थे odd numbers of total number थिला 5 थिला. एथिरे अछि 6 numbers. So third and fourth रो middle point हबो. Okay, there are some numbers. हमें mode भी discuss करथिले. Mode कौन कहूची? For the observations 2 1 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 2 2 1, for mode is 2. अच्छा एथरो मोड होची 2. कोन पई 2 केते थरा आछी देखो? 2 आसी once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. 5 times 2 is coming 5 times. So 2 maximum number of times आसी, that is why mode is 2. That is why mode is 2. Second question कौन अछि? For the observation 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, mode equal to 4. It is also true. 4 ही 4 times आछि, आउ बाकी सब 3 3 times, 2 2 times, 1 once आछि. So that is why mode equal to 4. एटा कोन अछि? थर्ड कोन होछि? तमरो consider the observation 5, 7, 11, 25, 36, 16. अच्छा एटा कोन होछि? Each number 5 hela, 7 hela, 11, 25, 36, 16, they are every number is coming once only. So कोटा maximum नहीं. If that is the case, आर mode केते हबो? So ei gote language they say in statistics the mode is ill defined, है ना? You have to say the mode is ill defined if there is no highest frequent number. It is all the numbers of frequency 1 achi. Sethipai the mode is ill defined. This is important. Please keep a note of this sentence. Sometimes in the option they will give this mode is ill defined. Okay. आमे ଏବେ ପଢିଲେ first होची central tendency. Central tendency means any data set ro we want to find out the middle person, middle point. Middle point either mean ho, median ho, mode ho, anyway. But this is what next thing is called measure of dispersion. Dispersion ro meaning कोन? से जो डेटा टोटली अछि से मिडिल पॉइंट रो केते डिस्पर्स्ड हे अछि, केते डिस्पर्शन अछि, केते छेड़ सपोज सिंपल थिंग 3 4 5. ओके आउट होछि तमर 1 4 7. सपोज दीटा डाटा सेट अछि 3 4 5. यार मीन केते हबो? यार मीन हबो 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 3, that is 4. Similarly यार मीन केते हबो? 1 plus 4 plus 7 by 3, that is also 4. So you see both the data set mean होछि 4, mean होछि 4, but how to differentiate these two data? That is why amaro asla dispersion. को data set very well dispersed. एटा देखो 4 रू एटा बहुत छाडी छाडी अछि, 4 रू 3 डिफरेंस अछि, एटा 3 डिफरेंस, but एटा 1 1 more compact अछि. So for the second data set dispersion will be higher. So dispersion measurement kare pai there are certain tools like we can find range, we can find mean deviation, or we can find standard deviation. Each one we will see differently. Okay. Okay, next, what is range? Range कोन? It's very easy term. Range माने को भी data set रे the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. Suppose data एमती अछि 15 to 7 21 32 18. So एथरे the range कोन हबो? Range is simply highest number code is highest number is 32, lowest number is 2, so 32 minus 2, that is 30. So 30 is the range of this data set. Very easy. Range is nothing difficult. Okay, now what is mean deviation and what is standard deviation we will see. Acha, formula is given. What is the mean deviation? If you see, this mean deviation is calculated about mean or median or mode. अच्छा, mean deviation आमे तीनटा way रे calculate करबा, about mean कर परिबा, about median कर परिबा, और about mode कर परिबा. But by default जदि किछि देइ नथिबो mean deviation is about mean. If सेमान जदि question specifically देइ नथिबो mean deviation about median or mean deviation about mode, जदि किछि स्पेसिफिकली दे नथिबो त आमे बाहर करबा मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन. सिंपली मीन डेविएशन देइथिले मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन. ओके ओके, सो बट बाय डिफॉल्ट मीन डेविएशन इज अबाउट मीन. Mean deviation is the average of deviation of each item in the data set from the mean. Okay, this is the formula. Formula लिखले टिके स्केरी लागे but it is very easy to calculate. First, we will understand what is deviation. Deviation kono? Let us understand. Suppose got a data set achi moro 10, sorry, 10, 13, 14, 20, 17. Randomly, I have taken a deviation. So deviation about any number. Let's say I say deviation about 15. Deviation about 15 माने कौन हबो 10 और 15 ର difference केते 5 or positive number. Deviation means positive, so deviation will be 5. 13 and 15 ର deviation केते 2, so 13 ର deviation was 2. 14 और 15 ର deviation केते 1. Plus or minus is not important. Deviation means that only the difference you have to mention. 20 and 15 ର deviation is 5, and 15 and 17 ର deviation होची 2. So this is a simple meaning of deviation. Deviation means about some number, what is the difference. Okay. So eta kon hochi mean deviation kon hochi mean of median. Mean deviation is calculated about mean, median or mode. Eta hame jo deviation 15 nale, it can be anything. If it is the mean of the data set, then this will be called mean deviation about mean. If it is the mode of the data set, then it will be called mean deviation about mode. If it is the median of the data set, then it will be called the mean deviation about median. Nothing else. Formula कौन कहूची mean deviation is xi. Xi is any number. Okay. Suppose more number is x1, x2, x3, x4. These are the numbers in a data set. So that is why they have given xi. Xi minus a. Okay. जो हमें deviation बाहर करते हैं. A is what? A is either mean हबा, median हबा, null mode हबा. जो हमें discuss कर ले. N is the number of items divided by average. So mean deviation of meaning kono deviation bahar karbo each number ro, then dar average number. Deviation it can be about mean, it can be about mode, or it can be about median. Okay, good example kariba, then you will get it clear. Formula dekhile it's very difficult to remember, but if you do taking example, then it becomes easy. हाँ, एट को फाइंड द मीन डेविएशन ऑफ 2, 5, 9, 11, 13. तो हमें कौन करबा फर्स्ट रे हमें बाहर करे इट इज नथिंग गिवन. जदि मीन डेविएशन देछि खाली, देन यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन, जोटा हमें प्रीवियसली डिस्कस करथले. इफ नथिंग यू सी, सॉरी, it देछि ना, but by default mean deviation about mean जदि किसी मेंशन नथिबो सेटा ही हम नेले mean deviation about mean. तो फर्स्ट कोन करबा हमरो टारगेट इज टू फाइंड द मीन. मीन केते हबो? मीन इज सिंपली एवरेज 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 5. So what are you getting? You are getting 5 to 7, 7, 9 is 16, 16, 11 is 27, 27 plus 13 is 40. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So 8 is the mean of the data set. Then you find out the deviations. Deviation कौन होची? तमर 2 रो 8 रो deviation केते 6 हबो. मु खाली लिखुची 2 minus 8 रो मॉड्यूलस माने 6. And 5 minus 8 from modulus, that is 3, and 9 minus 8, 11 minus 8, and 13 minus 8. These are all deviation of each number. Okay, so deviation कितना उससे देखो, it has for 6, it has for 3, 1, next is 3, next is 5. तो mean deviation कौन? Mean deviation हो जाती है जो deviation असला ताहारो mean नमो. तो मीन डेविएशन इज ये जो डेविएशन आसी सबुथिरो मीन 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5. How many deviations are there? 5 deviations are there. So total कितना आसी 6 plus 3 9, 1 10, 10 3 13 plus 5 18. 18 by 5, that is 3.6. So 3.6 is the mean deviation of this data set. Okay, So this is the method. Formula no need to remember also. Formula is given this, but तमे बुझी पालो अप्रोच बुझी पालो अप्रोच रे कोन होची फर्स्ट मीन डेविएशन मींस मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन फर्स्ट मीन बाहर करबो देन डेविएशन बाहर करबो देन जो भी डेविएशन आसबा तारो एवरेज नै जिवो ओके जदी एठे देइथिबो मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मोड so all the approach will remain same only thing this will be changed to mode similarly jodi median देइथिबो this will be changed to median nothing else okay next it is certain things you need to remember mean deviation of two numbers if only two numbers are there ete calculate kariya darkar nahi you can remember this formula suppose let's say 5 and 6 are my two numbers the mean deviation is MD mean deviation is 5 minus 6 modulus by 2 so it will be half so mean deviation of this data set is half two numbers till it becomes you can use this formula okay next important term is standard deviation भी सही formula देइछि xy minus x bar square where x1 are the n items x bar is the mean actually x bar is the mean this is mean standard deviation is always calculated about mean okay how to do this good example nejiba then you will get it clear find standard deviation of 2 5 7 10 13 17 तो standard deviation कौन करिवो फर्स्ट तमे फाइंड आउट करो मीन केता हो मीन कौन हला तमरो 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus 17 how many numbers are there 3 4 5 6 6 so kete aschi so 2 plus 5 7 7 7 14 14 10 was 24 24 13 hochi 37 37 I think some mistake 5 to 7 7 14 plus 10 plus 23 plus 17 by 6 yes this seems to be correct so you are getting 14 54 by 6 yes yes so 9 is it 9 let me calculate once again 7 7 14 24 37 yes yes 37 54 54 by 6 so mean is 9 okay so the last mean deviation by the approach nahi same approach hobo first you find out deviation kon hobo for each number deviations are 2 minus 9 5 minus 9 7 minus 9 10 minus 9 the modulus क्योंकि हमें सब पॉजिटिव नवा डिफरेंस नवा 13 minus 9 and 17 minus 9 all the deviations we have calculated deviations कहते देखो এটা হচ্ছে 7 this is 4 this is 2 this is 1 this is 4 this is 8 these are the deviation standard deviation of formula देखो standard deviation रे कौन होची formula you have to take the squares of this deviation sum of the square of these deviations तार average नबो तो हमें करिबा नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस रे तो ये स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन कौन होगा स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन इज 7 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर ओके हाँ 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 8 स्क्वायर यार एवरेज नबो एवरेज कितना नबो 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 एंड होल थिंग रो स्क्वायर रूट बाहर करियो बुझी पालो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन मीन बाहर करले डेविएशन बाहर करले डेविएशन रो स्क्वायर को ऐड करले डेविएशन स्क्वायर ऐड करला पर तार एवरेज नेले तापर तार स्क्वायर रूट ओके हमें मीन डेविएशन कोन स्क्वायर करनथले खाली कि स्क्वायर रूट नथिला खाली तार एवरेज बाहर करले त मीन डेविएशन होतला तो एटा देखिबा केता आसी दिस इज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 49 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1 plus 16 plus 64 divided by 6 So let me calculate. This will be a good big number. 16 plus 4 is 20. Let me write it here. 49 plus 1 is 50. 16 plus 4 is 20. How can I say? 16 plus 64 would be 80. Huh. Yes. So 80 plus 20 plus 100, 150 which is numerator. 150 divided by 6. याकू टिके simplify करले 52. So it is okay. 25 was 150 by 6. So the square root of 25 is 5. So standard deviation of this data set will be 5. Okay. So standard deviation we got it. No formula, if you go by formula it will be a bit complicated, but तमे जदि जानी परछो how to calculate standard deviation, there is nothing difficult. First कौन कले mean बाहर करले, then deviations बाहर करले for each data, then तार square नहीं की add करले and average बाहर करले, then square root. That is the called standard deviation. अच्छा आउ गोटे टर्म अच्छी आमर जो डिस्पर्सन आम पढ़ी स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन कौन थिला डिस्पर्सन रे कौन थिला रेंज मीन डेविएशन स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन another thing is fourth one let me add here that is variance अच्छा वेरिएंस किछि नै स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन करला पर वेरिएंस इज स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन रो स्क्वायर हो दैट मींस जो स्क्वायर रूट पार्ट थिला हटि जबो आ किछि नै सो फॉर द आवर एग्जांपल आमर केते आस्तला स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन आमर स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन फॉर दिस नंबर 5 आस्तला सो वेरिएंस कोन होबो 5 स्क्वायर वेरिएंस इज 5 square that is 25 so you need to know how to find out standard deviation तापर किछ नै variance is very easy it is आई लिखा the square of the standard deviation is variance the square of standard deviation variance the standard deviation is non negative हां standard deviation केबे भी नेगेटिव होबो स्क्वायर रूट जेतला बाहर करछो you should not write माने square root of 25 माने don't write plus or minus 5 standard deviation is always positive or zero भी परे but non negative okay एबे we discuss so many concept टिके questions discuss करबा if the standard deviation of 10 20 30 40 and 50 is s then the standard deviation of 20 30 40 50 and 60 is how much okay standard deviation गोटे data set रो देई दी already s तापर आ गोटे data set रो पचारची standard deviation केते होबो okay let me write 10 20 30 40 50 ये जो डेटा सेट अछि यारो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इज एस से पचारची 20 30 40 50 एंड 60 रो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन केते हबो ओके गोटे कांसेप्ट मन रखो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन को जदी गोटे सेट रो एस अछि if I add or subtract a constant from each element, each data set, then the standard deviation is not going to change. Okay. So, each element is added with 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10 kale 20 hours, plus 10 kale 30 hours, plus 10, plus 10, and here also plus 10. So, each element of the data set is added with 10. So standard deviation is not going to change. So answer will be S only. So it है no need to calculate. Calculate करले भी तुम्हारे S ही आसीबो. But no need to calculate directly. You can put this option A. Okay. You remember either you add a constant from each element or you subtract a constant from each element. The standard deviation is not going to change. Next question कौन दोची if the standard deviation किसी number देची x1 x2 xn is s then the variance of x1 plus c x2 plus c अच्छा एटे टिके डिफरेंट देची हमको कौन गोटे डेटा सेट रो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन देची ताहा पर पचासी वेरिएंस ओके लेट मी राइट x1 x2 x3 xn स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन केते is given S. सी पचार x1 plus c, x2 plus c, x3 plus c, xn plus c. यार स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन केते हबो? यू नो दैट गोटे कांस्टेंट जदि सब डेटा एलिमेंट को ऐड करा जाउची स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन चेंज हबोनी तो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन भी s हे जिवो. ओके बट क्वेश्चन पचार यार वेरिएंस केते हबो? यार वेरिएंस रो फार्मूला कोन थिला? वेरिएंस इज जस्ट स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन रो स्क्वायर. तो आंसर कोन हबो? s स्क्वायर. So right option is option B. Are you getting? So don't get confused by seeing this kind of question x1, x2, x3 because a question देखले कौन लगती? It seems that so many things are unknown, but you know everything. जदि standard deviation s रहुची constant add करला पर standard deviation change हबनी and variance will be the square of the standard deviation. Okay. Next question. The arithmetic mean of the first n natural number is 8. And the natural number is arithmetic mean is 8. What is n? Okay. N natural numbers means a natural number starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, एमती करी n अच्छी यार तुमरो मीन पचार मीन इक्वल टू 8. अच्छा if the numbers are in arithmetic progression जदि 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 arithmetic progression अच्छी 1 plus 1 करी अच्छी then the arithmetic mean will be the middle number. So arithmetic mean they have given it is 8. So 8 is here. So this is the arithmetic mean or you can say middle number. That means कौन middle number माने कौन 8 पूर्वर जितना number थिबो 8 परे भी जितना number थिबो. So 8 पूर्वर केतरा जदि 17 number अछि 8 परे भी 17 number हबो तो total केते हबो total number एटा होची 8th number. Total n will be 8 plus 7 that is 15. So right answer for this question will be 15. Okay, so no need to calculate n no need to calculate, just logical you can see that if numbers are in arithmetic progression their arithmetic mean will be the middle number. That's all. Next question, the arithmetic mean of the cubes of the first n natural number. Now this is we need to use some formula. Cubes of n natural number. अच्छा so कौन हबो तमरो cubes 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube यार mean हबो its average, so that will be divided by n. But do you know the formula for this thing? It has a formula. Sum of n consecutive cube रो formula कौन होची? n into n plus 1 by 2 रो whole square. Okay, so এটা formula আছে and তলে denominator আছে n. So this thing you can put. एबे simplify करो n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 into n. n cancel हो जाउछे. So it is n into n plus 1 square by 4. n into n plus 1 square. This one. Option C is the right answer. n into n plus 1 square by 4. So these जो formula है ना 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube n cube, it is very important. अच्छा, let me write 3 formulas that you need to by heart because many of the competitive exams you will always see these formulas, the use of these formulas. First one is sum of n consecutive numbers n 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. यार formula कौन होगा? n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of n consecutive squares. It is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Sum of n consecutive cubes. एबे जोड़ा कर ले. This is n into n plus 1 by 2 रो whole square. These 3 formulas everybody should remember. This is very important for your competitive exams. Okay, let's see what's the next question. Question goes the arithmetic mean of the multiples of 7 between the numbers 100 and 200. So multiple of 7 achi between 100 to 200. What is their arithmetic mean? So first let us write what is the first number that is having a multiple of 7. Okay, you know that 100 for a next number code a multiple of 7 above, that is 105. 105 is the first number. 105 kete 7 into 15. Next number कौन होगा 112, that is 7 into 16, like that it will go on. So before 200 what is the next number? So 200 को 7 divide करो, 200 को 7 divide करले कितने हो जाए? So that means 200 minus 4, that is 196. So 196 is the last number before 200, which is a multiple of 7. So it is like 7 into 28, right? So tomorrow number कौन होगा? 7 into 15, 7 into 16, up to 7 into 18. These are all numbers. Okay. So so how many numbers are there? No, total numbers will be last count 28 7 into 28, first 7 into 15, so this will be 28 minus 15 plus 1. Always counting plus 1 this is important. So this is 13 plus 1 14. There are 14 numbers are there. Okay, now average add all the numbers, divide by the total numbers. Okay, so 7 into 15 plus 7 into 16 plus dot 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 7 into 28 divided by 14. कारण हमर 14 numbers अछि, जदि मु 7 common नउछि कोन आसीबो 15 plus 16 up to 28 divided by 14. So eta कोन हेजो 17 14 करले 2 हेजबो. So this will be give you 15 plus 16 28 divided by 2. Whatever the number you get. अच्छा एटा कोन जोडे AP होची AP हेले AP रो सम तमे कोन करे AP रो सम ऑफ AP हमें तो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन पढ़ी ने, बट स्टिल यू रिमेंबर सम ऑफ AP is n by 2 into first term plus last term. Okay, T1 is the first term, Tn is the last term. Okay, other formulas are there, n by 2 plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d, but it खाली हमरो first number last number जाना छै, so directly you can put. So n कोन हबो n तो हमें बाहर करथले 14 टा नंबर अछि, 14 by 2 into first number is 15, last number is 28. So this is 7 into 15 plus 20. That is the sum of all these numbers. So you can put 7 into 15 plus 18 divided by 2. 15 plus 28, not 18. 28. So this will give you 7 into I think 43 by 2. Whatever the number you get, some decimal number as you. So that is your arithmetic mean of the multiple of 7 between the numbers 100 and 200. So you have to do very systematically for this kind of question. First I found what is the first number that is multiple of 7 and after 100. So that first number I got 105. So that is 7 into 15. Then I have to get what is the last number of that series before 200. So that is 196. 196 will be 7 into 28. तो मोर नंबर्स कोन आसी गला 7 into 15 टू नै की 7 into 28. तापर कोन करा गला हमरो टोटल नंबर्स केतरा नंबर अछि किमति करा जबो काउंट 28 minus 15 plus 1, so 14 numbers आसी गला. तापर you have to put the formula to find out the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean कोन sum of all the numbers divided by the total number of numbers. So 7 into 15 plus 7 into 16 up to 7 into 28 divided by total numbers is 14. If you do this calculation, amaro next asla 15 to 18 sum kete hobo. 15 to 28 sum kariya pai no need to do add all the numbers. You can use the formula for arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression of formula kon achi sum of all the numbers of arithmetic progression is n by 2 into first term plus last term. तो n by 2 हमर अछि 14 by 2 फर्स्ट टर्म थिला 15 लास्ट टर्म थिला 28 सो दिस इज द सम तापर कैलकुलेट करके हम एही नंबर फाइंड आउट करले सम डेसिमल्स रे हमर आसीबो अरिथमेटिक मीन ओके so this is the question last question we are discussing today as there is a short of time next class hame continue kariba from here we will solve few questions of statistics then probability we will continue after probability we can do the permutation combination all such things okay thank you very much thank you for attending the session thank you